Welcome back to Science with Sarah.
And Dad.
Wait a minute. I forgot to put a science experiment together today. What are we going to do?
Don't worry, Dad.
Well, don't worry.
It's dropping off. Hannah?
We got a special delivery?
Yes, you did.
Oh boy, what's this, Sarah?
It's a science kit. This is actually our first video about a science kit instead of a science experiment.
What is it called?
It's called Foundation Chemistry Kit.
Should we turn it around for them to be able to see?
Let's show them what it is from the back. So let's get opening this. I'm excited too. Are you, Dad?
Very excited to see what's in here.
All right.
Alright, okay. So let's first get it open.
That's exciting.
Oh, cool.
There are two notepads. One for me, one for you, Dad.
I
Perfect.
think one for Hannah.
Yeah, and it looks like that you can write your name, your age, and a bunch of other things so this never gets lost.
I think
Cool.
this is like a science book that's telling you about all the
So
experiments.
let's open up to a page and just see what we get. I found this one.
I found this one.
This looks like this could be a good mat to help you not make a mess.
Yeah. It looks like. So let's take out everything.
Because Sarah can get pretty messy.
Hey. Oh,
It's
this
true.
looks. These are pencils.
Wait a minute. Hey, cool. Look, this is a pencil sharpener right there. That's cool. So you can take a sharpener with your pencils wherever you go. That's really cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's
Now let's see what's next.
Okay.
Whoa.
Let's keep that out. All right, so let's
Okay. Let's go to here.
Okay, what is
This
it?
looks like a. This looks like a thermometer.
Oh, cool. I've never had one before.
Yeah, me either.
Your very own thermometer.
The only one we do have is the one
This looks
That
like
we
a
had.
stirring
that
stick.
you fruit.
Yeah, this is. Oh, there's also stirring stick.
Cool. Hey, I noticed something.
What?
These little buttons.
Oh, those are so cute.
I'm gonna get one.
Hey, Mom. Can you put this on me, Dad? This looks so cute. So let's see the
We're gonna
temperature.
take a minute to put these on.
Yeah, I got one and I got one.
So this kit is perfect if you have a sibling, because if you do, if there's only one, you'll probably fight about it. But for this set, you'll get two, so you each can have something.
Let's see the degrees. It looks like it's like 20 degrees or 30 degrees.
Well, this side is Celsius and this side is Fahrenheit. Here in America, we generally stick with Fahrenheit, though scientists use Celsius. But
I don't know it.
in general, we use Fahrenheit. So let's see here.
So,
This is saying that in our house right now, this is reading 74 degrees.
okay, so let's see what's next. This looks like a stopwatch.
I think it is.
No.
Is
So
there
you have to get the battery to work, you gotta pull that part out. Oh,
I think you just started it.
so it looks like a timer. Yep, it's counting.
That's loud.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. Let's put this over here. You gonna show everybody what it looks like?
Okay, so this is what it looks like.
Sarah.
So this one is perfect for us.
We remember.
So this is setting. So it's pretty neat. So this is actually a stopwatch or a timer. So this
What?
is set for 2 minutes, and if you hit start, now it's counting down backwards. But if we hit start and then we reset, if it's on 0, if we hit start, that will actually start a timer and count up.
Cool.
So either count down or count up.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, let's stop pressing it. It's a really loud.
Yeah,
Really? How is
How do
it?
you turn this thing off?
It even has a little clip so that you can clip it to yourself,
I'm gonna clip it onto me.
and then this way you'll always have it with you when you need it.
I'm gonna clip it. I'm gonna keep
Alright.
this on me.
How about Daddy gets it because he doesn't have one of these
Sweet.
buttons.
See, it comes with.
A pair
Here
of
you go, Dad.
goggles.
Well, you should. We're gonna put everything on you,
Why everything? Oh wow.
Hannah has her own button.
and now you can have your safety goggles. What else we got?
Okay, so we got this. So there are 3 of these. Oh boy. Looks like there's another pair. It's hidden under there.
I think you can take these 2 out, and then you can take it off easy.
This looks like my hair. This looks like things, I think.
Thank you.
I think they're our Hannah's.
Oh, these fit me nice.
Yeah, these are me.
Nope, there's nothing else in it.
Okay,
So it looks like we got 3 beakers.
so let's start with this one.
Let's see what's in them.
What do you think these are, Dad?
I'll take this.
What do you think these are?
I do not know.
I think those are like little.
I don't know if it's.
Let's set a timer to see how long we have to discuss with these. Okay, so this looks
Hannah, let me
like
see the box.
sodium peroxide. This is sodium peroxide.
It's sodium bicarbonate.
Oh, I can't do
That,
Okay.
Do you know what sodium bicarbonate is?
No.
It's generally what we use when we use I forgot now. I forgot the name of it.
Yeah.
It's a chemical what we use for volcanoes.
Oh.
Baking soda.
Okay.
Sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. So this
Okay,
says
so let's
all the
see
stuff
that.
that it comes with. So the chemical agents, they're just called red tablets.
We got some food coloring.
Yay!
Okay, so
Who doesn't
ooh,
like
we got
food
some more of these, and we got chalk, pencil, and another pencil.
I think
Wait,
one of the
why did this come with a candle?
Maybe
Oh.
that's for one of the experiments.
Yeah, there's some experiments that you probably need to have some heat.
I started a timer to see how long it would take us to review all the beakers.
Alright.
Okay, and Alex.
There's
Okay, so we got
blue
some
tablets.
blue ones, and let's see what's in this.
I think that's more like a powder.
Do you know what that is?
No,
What do you think that word says?
trick. Hey, there you have a trick. You have one.
Citric?
Yeah,
Citric acid.
citric acid. That's exactly right.
All right, and let's
Hard
Did you know that they actually use this in candy?
What?
This is what makes sour things taste sour.
Are you saying we can make our own candy?
And stop.
I wonder if that's
Wow,
one.
that
I
we
wonder.
did that in 1 minute and 47
I
seconds.
kind of wonder if that's actually one of the experiments where you get to make candy
I don't know.
That's
something
probably our
that's-
record.
or something edible.
I started a timer when we first got out these beakers, so we know how long it will be. And it was 1 minute and 47 seconds.
So our timer works.
Yay.
All right, so we are going to be filming lots of different experiments with this, right?
All right.
And so make sure to watch out for those videos.
All right. We'll see you next time, guys.
Bye.